This Kamkunji is at the request of the CS Health and her team to come and speak to you on issues that they have identified as requiring communication, explanation in clarity form, so that we can all be able to understand, appreciate, communicate and speak in a manner that doesn't confuse the public. These are the developments in the ministry in terms of trying to achieve the government commitment to UHC. In our communication to you members yesterday, we indicated that the team from the ministry want to speak to us and focus on 4 things. Progress so far on the UHC rollout, progress of the share registration process, benefits package and applicable tariffs on the same, and the means testing tool on the same. After my communication, one member in my house asked me to ask the ministry to also speak to the transition of human resource capital from NHIF to SHIF as an issue that requires attention. We believe that as leaders, you can use your offices, which are paid by us as PSC, to support the process of registration of Wananchi, who probably have not been told well as to whether the registration process costs money or not. Because this is not an AI-generated program. A computer will only give you what you feed in. If you don't register, you are not registered. And if you are not registered, you will not be captured. If you are not captured, you will not get the service you require. So we need to work together to help Kenyans access this Medicare that is being rolled out by the government.